So I've just found this package in the mail, and I think I know what it is because I've been waiting for this for ages. I've been waiting for BLIZZCON, which is this weekend, Friday and Saturday. But when this is released, you won't be seeing this. So here it is, and I'm gonna crack it open. Guys, don't worry because I just cracked it open. So let's have a look. And I'll take you on this wonderful journey. Here it is. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wait, Blizzard branded paper here. Some plastic. I don't know how I'm gonna. Oh wait, I can easily grab this. Wait. I'm just getting it out of the bag. Just move the box. So guys, here it is. They're beautiful. Okay, let's look inside. Okay, I should really rethink my video strategies. Just wait a sec again. So here's our first look. This is just the normal one, so it's not an epic one. Here's my cute but deadly figures from Overwatch. And here are the ones I could get. Genji, Reaper, McCree, Diva. I don't know who some of these are because I don't play Overwatch, but yeah, man. Oh, there's a mystery figure as well. So I don't know who it's going to be. So we'll open that after. There's more stuff in here. Got my Mercy bag hanger. I already know what it is. So here we are. All of the classic ones get Mercy bag hangers. So I'm guessing it's a Mercy bag hanger. And the rest, we've got our badges to put on the front. Yay! And I've got a little Blizzard collectible series 4 pin. Let's delve deep, just see if I'm missing anything. Silica gel, woo! And this is just a really nice bag. So I think I'll just set up the camera somewhere and then we'll look at all the stuff here. I'm really bad at laying things out. I can't do this video. And there's my sock. So let's start. So guys, I've got everything here. I think we'll open up the badge icons first because these are what I'm most excited about because of the backpack and everything. Ooh, it's all on a nice little bit of Velcro type thing. So Diablo, Overwatch, Hearthstone, and we've got my favourite. Here's of the Storm, StarCraft, and WoW. And it's a bit backwardsy, as you can see, because I'm using the front camera. I think we'll go with the badge next. So let's look, see who it is. Let's crack it open. Ooh, it's hiding. Is this Alarak? Oh my gosh, it's a golden fucking Alarak, guys. Look, fucking golden Alarak. Look, it says collect and trade all 10 characters. Fine. Rare gold chase pins, and I've just got a rare Alarak. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Oh wait, why am I looking in the bag? I think we should just stick the badges on the bag, but we'll do that. Save that till last. I think we'll go for the bag hanger next. I don't really want to rip the packaging because it's also pretty, and it's like my first time getting something from Blizzard. So I can see Mercy's head here. So cute. Oh, I'm putting down my bag. And last but not least, the cute but deadly figure. Who will we get? Who? I know the lighting's bad here, guys, and it's not in a nice prime position, but I had to open this, and I want to take you guys on this journey. So I'm gonna keep like the box and stuff, and like this little Velcro strip and things, because I'm not a wasteful person. So these pin badges are amazing. Oh. My brother's came a bit early in the mail. Oh. And he got a normal samurai one, so he's going to be jealous of my awesome gold one, and I knew, oh my gosh, I just ruined the packaging, man. Okay, sorry, I had to. Okay, let's make a guess. Let's make a nice little guess here. Who's it gonna be? Seems a bit, I don't know, maybe Zarya. I don't know, as long as it's one out, I know it's hopefully. Oh my gosh. This is the character I fucking hate. I guess he's in here with an adorable stand. I think you probably might have seen it on camera. I don't know. It's fucking Diva. I hate Diva. Not in the sense that I hate playing her, it's just that I don't really like her. So, let's put the badges on this awesome badge. Let's just like assemble. Beautiful badge. Don't know what I'm gonna do with the pin badges. I think I might be buying more, and once I get up a collection, you might be able to see it. So here's another up close. Alarak. I don't know if you can see very well. It looks cool from up close, but from afar it just looks like a bit of gold. So nice bag here. This is the thing that I was like excited about, a bag, because obviously you put your stuff in. It's got some pockets here, some nice pockets. Oh no, I'm bad at this. Got a little place for your little headphones if you want to put your headphones in there. And at the front, you don't see, no, but it looks like that's a full bag, but no, because there's an extra compartment inside of here. And I think this is a place where you can put like a laptop or something, and it's got extra pockets in there. So that is so freaking cool. And you don't even know that zips there. You can like hide your laptop there. No one friggin' knows, so that's good. Oh. Now let's put the badges on. So here it is. And the final items. Badge pin. Little Diva, who's gonna go on a stand, who I don't really like. And the bag hangers on here. And thank you, Blizzard, for creating an excellent backpack with endless possibilities and awesome games. Awesome, just awesome games, you know. Awesome games. So there wasn't really an introduction or like an ending sort of sequence, because it's his excitement and it just came out of the blue. I just did it. So I hope you enjoy. This was the BLIZZCON unboxing video. Bye.